Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. The time now for your convenience is exactly 6 in the morning and the date today is 20th of June 2020 on a Saturday. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt signs are switched off. May we remind you to check areas around your seats for items you might leave behind. For passengers who need assistance, please the plane last. Our cabin crew and ground staff will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Rizal and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po.
Tap, 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 wrist on glitter, waist on thinner. I'ma show you how to bag an 8-figure nigga. Face on zaddy, pockets on jigger. You better get the card and make it swipe like.
Say what I want, say what they want you to say. Like I can pretend that I don't wanna and I'm afraid. Wishful drinking, tell myself that I'm not.
Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it. I did it.
Oh, unya, unsa naman? Ha? Sa naman? Wa kay uyab karong Pasko no. Oh. Wa kay uyab karong Pasko kay pilian man. Pilian. Mamili og gwapo. Mamili og gwapa. Oh, unya, magpasko ka karong way uyab, pilian man ka, mirisi nimo. Na ay mga taong gusto sa imo ha, di pug ka gusto. Kaya ang gusto nimo dito sa taong di interesado sa imo, bogo ka. Mirisi nimo. Kung unta gitagad na nimong mga gawib sa imuha dinhaa, kanang mga gachat sa imuha dinhaa, edi unta karon Noche Buena, basa unta ka. Basa unta ka. Unta karong New Year mabutahan na unta ka. Kay pilian man kaayo ka, edi mauga ka karong tuiga. Pagkahuman sunod tuig 2021 o paghimilian gihapon para 2021 mauga na pug.
Hi mga Dzay ug Zong! Sa mga gusto mag-flight attendant nila, iduwet ko ninyo. Okay? Ako sa. Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. The time now for your convenience is exactly 4 in the afternoon, and the date today is September 8, 2020. On behalf of Captain Rizal, together with First Officer San Juan and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po. Ikaw na po, Dzay! Naks, galinga jud oy! Flying with you soon!
If you're an aspiring radio DJ, then duet this and show us what you've got. Let's practice introducing some songs on air. How about Savage Love by Jason Derulo? Alright, so you've got about 12 seconds before the vocals kick in for the song, but I'm gonna try it first. In 3, 2, 1. It's now 2:33 all over the metro. It's time for the TikTokers to start moving so we can burn some calories, baby. We're dishing out a song from Jason Derulo called Savage Love. Get up, get moving. You're on Q105. Your turn. Come up with your own spiel or just repeat what I said. 3, 2, 1.
What's up, Metro Manila? It's 10:50 in the evening, and this song is gonna wanna make you get up from your bed and show off your TikTok moves. Here's Jason Derulo with Savage Love, Magic 89.9.
Make sure to tag me and challenge your friends to try it.
Yaya, dinhi na lang ka sa balay kay ako na lang mula ka ron magbayad sa kuryente.
Sige, ma'am. Anting, ma'am.
May na lang aron makalimpyo-limpyo pud ka dinhi.
So, di akong ginabuhat.
Itong mga basura sa likod ha, lihog kong hipo sa ato.
Sige. Onya, ma'am ha. Human-ani.
Lihog kong tanaw be sa atong bill sa kuryente diha sa taas sa ref.
Katong dito?
Naawa daw kung pila na.
Sige, hulat, ma'am ha. Wala man diri.
Dili din ha, sa atong ikawalo nga ref.
Ikaw
Abot man ka diha sa
katong
ika-15.
dito. Man ka nag-ingon. Wait lang.
Diha.
Kanin, ma'am.
Tanawa daw. Kung pila.
200,000.
Unsa? 200,000?
Oo.
Grabe naman na kagamay.
Kumay pa din eh.
Ano man na ireklamo ragod na sa ila ha?
Sige ma'am, tawagan ako niya. Ma'am,
Masig
tawagan.
wala po nyo ginatarong og laba akong mga sinina.
Natarong oy, pwede din so pag
Kapila din ninyo ginabutang sa washing machine ang akong sinina.
5.
Natanawa lagi, kalima lang. Di ba?
Hi, mga Zagab Zoom. Nakansel na ko lang flight. So, since sayang man akong aura-aura karon, duduan na lang tamo kaon sa mga airman ang isa ka flight attendant. All you need is sudlay na naing-ani para makatiktik. Sali sa bukok, of course. Tawag ani invisible hairnet. Kaya invisible dun siya pag tatawag. Ano siya? Hairpins. All you have to do is, so syempre mag-ponytail ka. Kabalo man pag sa mag-ponytail.
Hello?
Hey, babe.
Who is this?
This is Vicky, right?
Oh, no, this is Victoria.
No, yeah, that's what I meant.
What's what you meant?
I heard you were single.
Single as in, wait.
Like, solo.
Oh, solo. Do you hablo español?
No, like you're not dating.
Why is everyone always asking me the date? Like, get a calendar. It's April 20th.
Are you going out with someone else?
No, I'm about to go inside because it's quarantine.
Do you want to eat?
Yeah, I'm actually super hungry right now.
I bet. How about I pick you up?
Pick up what?
You.
What about me?
Let me take you to Chili's.
Oh, it's not chilly outside. It's like 78 degrees. It's actually getting kind of hot in here.
That's because you're there.
Yes, I am here. Where else would I be?
So it's a yes.
Oh, no.
Oh. Tingin-tingin mo dyan. Gusto mo? Lo, asa ka. Umalis ka na. Kairita. Papasok ba si ma'am? May tiiba ngayon? Zumba na naman. Kairita. Sino may pulbo dyan? Wala. Sir, masakit po yung tiyan ko. Kumain ako ng fishbowl na isasaw sa babara ng sando. Po, totoo nga po. Po, salamat, master.
Hi, Abu Hair, Abu Hair. Eto yung request mong video. Stay safe. I hope you're happy. Thank you so much. Kalok alay, chut ni mo. Asa dapit zay. Asa jud dapit zay. Asa dapit. But thank you. I appreciate you.
Hold up ni. Kabalo ko. Kay dato kay kugnawong. Ambi mo pitaka. Ha? Pitaka lang? Kanya kang bag. Oh, kwarta man tanang sulod ani. Di lang ang pitaka. Dara akong cellphone. Unsa akong cellphone pod? iPhone 11 lang ra ba ni? Nabili na akong iPhone 20. Dara ang. Unsa pa? Dalon pog ka namo. Unsa? Dalon pog ko ninyog apil. Diyos ko, kidnap for ransom na pod. 10 billion lang pod nilang kailangan. Kagamay ra ba? Sige na oy. Tara na. Ibutang na po na imong kutsilyo. Nakatutok naman na sa kong bugal.
Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. The time now for your convenience is exactly 6 in the morning and the date today is 20th of June 2020 on a Saturday. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt signs are switched off.